Hi everyone! So today we are going to be making a fabric snippet. I have been wanting to make this for a very long time with you guys, so I'm really excited to finally get it done. These supplies came from Craspire.com. I hauled them before, I shared with you guys before. So they have little ribbon. So I'll show you that I cut some of them up. So I will already prep some right here, that these are all individually cut already. And then right here is how it comes. It just comes in one long strip. So I just kind of prepped a lot of it. Even the stuff in this other bag over here, I already cut down. So there was like little bows and little just fabric pieces. So look at how pretty that one is. Really cute. So I cut a lot of this down already. So what we are going to need is your fabric, a piece of paper. I'm using scrap. This is just something I had in my scrap bin, so I got scrap. This is going to be my base that I'm going to put down on top of this scrap. And then, like I said, I have all my pieces already cut up. So I kind of got it a little bit prepped. And then I do have some of these little white little flat bags. See, so I had it all in that little bag. But then I decided to pull out the color ones just in case I want to go ahead and add some of these as well. So I pulled both of those out. You need your glue sticks, extra glue sticks, always good to have on hand. And then we're going to need our glue gun, which I do have on and getting ready there. I like this one because it comes in its little like holster, so I feel like it works really well for me when I'm doing videos, so I like having that one. And then it has the little like non-stick pad down here on the bottom for when it spills. So let's just kind of get, oh, and you're going to need scissors. If you haven't already cut everything and prepped everything, you're going to need scissors. And even to prep everything, you still need scissors. So I need to go ahead and cut this down once I glue that down. So let me see. Pull some of this out. This was clearance ribbon, so yay me for using my stash. And then when I do it, I like to do a little bit of an overhang over the edge instead of like lining it up. I kind of want to just have it over. Oh, and you know what? I usually like to have my background piece smaller than my top layer. And it looks like the pink is going to be peeping through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure that. So I know I want to cut to about here. So we're going to go ahead and just cut this off. So I can put that away. And then I'm going to cut this even thinner. So I'm going to pull out my little board here, my paper trimmer. And we're just going to trim this down a smidge because, like I said, I like mine a little bit smaller. So hopefully this will be enough. Let's see how that works. That should work. So put that to the side. Let's see, how does this look now? Oh yeah, you can't see that pink, which is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want to see any of that pink on the bottom. So we're just going to have all the gray. And then I'll usually fray, like this one's already frayed, that's why I like this one. And I'll usually like pull some of this off and fray the ends as well. So you see how easy that just came off? So we can just go ahead and pull that off. And I did start a little baggie because I want to make my own paper. So things like this, I started putting into a little baggie. So that way when I make my own paper, I could add that in for some texture. So I'm going to put that off to the side right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just go ahead and just start pulling some of this off. Oh, see, I like it better on this side where I did a little bit more. So we're just going to fix that. There we go. And then we are just going to add our glue right here just to go ahead and get that started. So I just do a little spot, then I'll bring this back, and then I'll just go ahead and add some glue, then bring this over, stick that down, and just lift that up. Oh, see, it dried too fast right here. So if you just take the tip of your glue gun, you can kind of go over where it dried too fast, and then it'll reheat that area for you. And then just roll this on back and put another glue stick in here. And then we're just going to do that all the way down to the end. Let me know, have you guys made one of these before? And if you have, what did you use it for? I've seen a lot of people use it in their junk journals. I saw another lady where she got a wood spool and then attached it to the wood spool like if it was, you know, like threading. And I thought that was so pretty. I do have a couple of wood spools that I got at a thrift store, so that might be really pretty to do. So now I'm going to go in and just start laying down my larger pieces, because I feel like that will be easier, and then I could just add like the smaller pieces and like these little rhinestones or little flatbacks. So what I do is I'll add it to like the bigger parts, like these leaves right here. So I'll put a little bit of glue there, definitely on the flower, down the leaves, and down over there. And then we'll go ahead and we'll just put that down about there. Kind of like that one. Let's see. Then we got, I'll do this one the other way. So this one, the flower's up. I'm going to do this one with the flower down. Maybe put a bow. Now, do I want the bow straight or do I kind of want it at an angle? I think I'm going to angle that a little bit. So because the bow is see-through, I am only going to put the glue right on the back of the flower to like hide the glue there. Put that there. Then I'll just give it like a little bit of movement. Let's see, maybe I'll put this one over in that corner. Then I can add like this over here. I think I'm gonna do that. So for this one, I'm gonna go kind of right on the edge, really lightly there. And then definitely right in the center of where that flower is. And then we'll just lay this down there. There we go. Then we'll take this one from the corner. Just kind of put glue there. Just lay this back down in that corner there. Oh, I like that. That's looking nice. Then I have my other bow here. Let's see, where do I want to put this piece? I'm going to put that one there, but then where I'm going to put my little bow. I can kind of layer my bow on top there. Oh, see, I'm trying to get those little like spider web strings from the glue. See, then you just gotta kind of move things around and figure out where you want it. And it's okay if you overlap things. So I think I'm gonna put this one there. And just kind of do like an angle there. Maybe I'll add yellow instead of another bow. I think I'll do this. Add a little bit of yellow there. Oh, too bad I don't have any yellow flatbacks. That would have been pretty to add a yellow flatback there. Then maybe I'll do one here. So I cut them differently. Let me pull out some more here. So these have like the double-ended yellows, and see, I did some single ones where it has no green, and then I did some other ones where it only has one part of the green. So I think I'm going to take out some of these, so maybe add like just a single yellow there. Oh yeah, I think that's pretty. So now I'm just going to kind of go in and like fill in the little spaces. Yeah, maybe I'll do that one there. And then now my piece has like the little variety. So it's the one-sided green, the no green, and then the double green down over here. And then I don't know if I want to add more over here. Maybe a single yellow here. Do I want that there? I think I'm going to put it up there. See, these are kind of like more towards the middle and the bottom. So I think I'm going to put a yellow here since I don't have a yellow towards the top. To kind of like balance everything out. And I want to add my little pearls. Oh, I should have bought, I have like a jewel pick that I usually use for these because I just like that it helps me set them. And then I think I'm gonna do like a little Mickey head. I'm not sure if you guys can see that down over here. So I don't want, oh, I like kind of the smaller set better. Oh, I wish I had my little pick. I just feel like it'll be easier to like put these down in the right spot. Hopefully I don't put too much glue. Let's see. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. I think I'm doing okay. Hopefully you guys can see. Maybe I should have zoomed in, huh? Sorry. Okay. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Oh, I hope my glue didn't dry. If it did, I'll just have to touch it with the tip of the glue gun just to kind of reheat it. Oh, cute! My little mouse head came out. Look how cute that is. Perfect. So there is my little fabric snippet. I don't know, I might add some more bling to it. Do I want to pull out pink or do I want to leave it? I kind of like it like this, like neutrally color, where I feel like these are a little too bright. But you know what? These do have like these little pearls that I can add, or maybe I'll do that. Like these little gemmies, they're white, but they have like a little shine to them. So I think I'll add this one there. Right there. And then maybe I'll add like, oh, that's cute. I like that. So put this one here. And I have some of these other sides that are in the map. Let's see. Yeah, I'll put the matte one. Put it right here. Oh no, I put it upside down. This is why I like having my little jewel picker. Okay, let's put that on the side because I got glue on it. Let's add a little bit more glue. And then put this one there. Oh, that's cute. It's a little bit smaller and I like how that looks better anyways. So that was a good mistake that I used the smaller one because I actually like that better. And then I'm going to leave these two yellows plain without any little bling to it. So that way it just kind of has more, a little bit of yellow to it. I like it. So here is a little close up using the little ribbons they sent. I think that came out really cute, and it'd be really cute to add to like a junk journal as like a little belly band. I think would be really pretty. I think I did it just a little bit too long to be able to fit in a book or a journal. Like I said, you could probably cut it down to here and then get 2 pieces out of it. I feel like this would be a good spot to cut it as well. So I might end up doing that. But yeah, that is our little tutorial for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.